Welcome. I'm excited you are joining me for a subject that is dear to my heart and that I love. I'm Sheehan of Millennium Education. For over 20 years, I have been teaching medical intuition and giving medical intuitive consults. I've won awards and I'm internationally recognised. Medical intuition has also been taught at Queensland University. From the thousands of requests I have for sharing my knowledge of medical intuition, the most requested is hearing about the body and client stories. I agree, as this is how the brain learns, and we all love actual examples. So it's with great pleasure I give you these profound insights. You might want to grab a pen and paper so you can write notes. Know that as I share this wisdom, your innate will tap into the healing gift of medical intuition. I ask you to tune into your body and accept the love and healing that is offered. So take a big breath in now and breathe all the way out. Sit down and relax and enjoy this extraordinary work. There will be links you can click onto to contact me for courses, workshops, or if you would like me to speak, please email info@absoluteempowerment or click the link. So let's see what the body says. Synergy in the body. The gift of sickness, pain, dis-ease and poor health, whether it be mental, emotional, spiritual or physical, is the body's way of sharing synergy of what is happening in your life. There is a natural flow of the body speaking and telling you what is happening in your life. It's not the case the body is in bad or good way, it is synergy. Anthea booked a medical intuitive session. She was having stroke-like symptoms which would leave her body with hemiplegia on the left side of her body, affecting her speech. This is when the left side of the body has no movement. All her medical tests, including X-ray, CAT scan, MRI and spinal tap, came up with no reason for these bodily reactions. It was time for Anthea to discover what was the synergy and what she could do to change it. Anthea was wheelchaired into my office as her hemiplegia disabled her from walking. The history I gained from her was that she missed her children who lived in France and desperately wanted to be a grandmother and nurture her grandchildren. To fill this void, she became a foster grandma to brand new babies and would look after them for up to 12 months. Then they were taken away from her. Her body's synergy was trying to make her happy and healthy by being a foster mum grandma. But this was not complete synergy, as she wanted to be with her daughter and grandchildren. Her British background did not allow her to express her pain or how she felt. It actually disabled her and made her powerless in this situation. And so the synergy of the body showed the emotions via the stroke-like symptoms. Further discussion and specific medical intuitive healing techniques were applied during the session, and she came to the realization and understanding of what was happening. She allowed herself to feel the pain emotionally, cried, and then stood up from her wheelchair and said, "I want to move to France." Her body now interacted and cooperated with her desires the way she wanted. The body was in synergy to empower her. Anthea walked out of the office and her stroke-like symptoms suddenly disappeared. 2 weeks later, she called me to say she was selling her house, packing up her things, and she was moving to France. That was a few years ago. And she recently contacted me to say since our session, she has not had any stroke-like symptoms. That's pure synergy. So remember, the synergy in your body is not good or bad. However, it will show you how your body is being and what synergy is happening. Always thank your body as it's the only thing you own. For more information about medical intuition and how you can live the life that you love, click the links at the end of this presentation. Thank you so much for listening. It's been a real privilege to connect with you.